cooperative sector for socio-economic development in devolved system of governance.
Governor ma Kirinyaga Ann Waiguru ogolo siem magena pisa mag thieth ma county no mibiro yud ka kwalo yedhe e osiptande mag serikal. Waiguru singo mar riembe tich apisas mag thieth mibiro yudo kod kuo mar yedhe. Kanolose gwenge mamweya, Waiguru nolero na pisa mag thieth osebedo ka kwalo yedhe sub counties ma alworano e osiptande mag piny owacho kendo tero e osiptande gi giwegi.
But in Kirinyaga County, because of the challenge of healthcare, we are asking our health practitioners, our doctors, our nurses, those in the laboratory, those who run our CT scans, those in the renal units, that you choose whether you're going to be a public servant or you will run your private clinic. But if we get a complaint from the public that the medicine from the public hospitals that we have bought with public money is going to a private clinic or a private X-ray center, we will close your business in Kirinyaga County when we withdraw your license from doing any such business in Kirinyaga County.